Hi, I'm Azar. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 Dell all in one. Press power button. Press the F12. Almost Dell. You need to use F12. Select your device. I'm using the flash drive, UFI, USB, 64-bit. Next, install. Select the accept. Custom install. Delete all the partition. Delete. OK. Make all partition like this. I delete the old partition now. Make new. Select the partition. Then next. It's now right now installing the Windows. Note it. Don't remove the flash drive. Just restart. Once restarting, remove the pen drive.
കാണിക്കില്ല ജമ്പറിന് എന്താ പറയില്ല ഓൾറെഡി
That's it.